In this session, I will show you 3 different websites to create the interior of your recipe book. The first one is the popular Canva, so I don't present, I don't show you how it works. You already know Canva, I guess. And we will use, to create the content, we will use ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. I will put the link in the resources of this session on the right side of your screen when you watch the class. And also another website to generate text is Bard, Google Bard. So it's in French. If you're watching this class from another country, you will automatically have the English version, or if you are in Spain, the Spanish version, etc. And you can put your prompt in English here anyway, so it's going to generate text in the language that you want. So to create the interior, we will create a design, custom size, and for this book I will choose 8 by 10. And I will create a design. You can obviously choose a different size. First, we will include the text, the title and the author name here later. We will start here by explaining the benefits to eat without sugar, to have a zero sugar diet. What are the benefits? So I will click on text here and I will put text. I will change the font here. And what I'm going to do, I will show you with ChatGPT, but it will be exactly the same with Google Bard. Google Bard is like ChatGPT, but I always prefer to have 2 options. Why? Because sometimes on ChatGPT there are some bugs, there are some connection problems, I don't know why. So in that case, I use Google Bard, which is the alternative. Okay. So here I will ask ChatGPT to explain, to do an introduction of the benefits to eat without sugar. Cookbook of 100 recipes, desserts without sugar. In this introduction, you need to explain the benefits of a zero sugar diet and target of this specific diet. So the more you are specific when you write your prompt, the better will be the work generated by ChatGPT. If you write a very poor introduction, like a very poor prompt, if you something very short and not specific, you will have something poor. Okay, so you need to spend time to write a prompt. You see, it's not working on ChatGPT. So I will go on Google Bard and ask the same thing. So you have an introduction. So I will remove the titles here. I will put this. So you need to read again. You don't like copy paste without rereading the text. You need to sometimes rewrite. You have to check before publishing, otherwise sometimes, well, it's not perfect. Google Bard is not perfect, and sometimes you need to check that the information is accurate, specifically for diets. Okay, you cannot like put something wrong. Okay, I will copy here and reread. So I have my text here on the page, but I think that I need to put some color and pictures to be more beautiful for the customer. So I will go in design and I will put cookbook and I will have some templates here. So I will copy that and use this template. Here you have the final result. So I put Sweeten Your Life Without Sugar in title, and you can see on the left here that you have many templates suggested. Okay, so I suggest that you use the same template for all your book, or maybe two, but no more, because otherwise the customer will be lost, I think, if you have too many things different on your book. Then what I will do, I will copy here the same page. I will use a different template. You can see here that you have different things to present your recipes. This is really great. Canva is really great to do amazing things. I will not show you everything on Canva because otherwise the video will last like forever. But I choose another template and put in English the different ingredients, the different fruits, and also the Greek yogurt that don't have sugar. So I illustrate the book with Canva for the moment, and then we will create the first recipe. So how did I find those ingredients that are without any sugar in it? So I go back in board and I tell him, give me 5 ingredients. Okay, so it's just an example, so to show you how you can do the book. And you have the berries, the dark chocolate, the chia seeds. You have many things. You choose whatever you want. Okay? I choose to put avocado, coconut, berries, Greek yogurt, and almonds. Here, for example, if I want to change the yogurt and put some dark chocolate, go in elements, dark chocolate, plate, and for example, I put this here. Okay, very easy. You can do this with any ingredient you want. Okay, so I will keep the yogurt. After that, I go back on board. So as I told you before, you need to be very, very specific when you write your prompt. Okay, so I've decided to do this recipe book for 2 people. I mean, I will need the ingredients for 2 people, and I will have to put on the top here, I will have to put the preparation time. How long will I need to do the recipe? Okay, so I will have to be very specific. Write a recipe for a dessert with 0 sugar for 2 people, adding at the end the preparation time with avocado. I use one of the ingredients, and it will write your recipe. Here I have my recipe with the ingredients and the instructions, and the total preparation time 15 minutes. So it's for 2 people. So here I have done this to avoid doing everything with you. I used the same template here, and I will show you how to generate this picture. I have put avocado chocolate mousse here for 2 people, and I have copied and pasted this recipe. Obviously I won't do all the book with you, but I show you just the first page for the moment, and obviously you can change the font here. If you don't like it, you put whatever you want, and also here you can change the font. So for the color here, it's different from this one, this thing, which is pink. I will show you how I generated this picture. So I see you in the next session to explore Midjourney to generate amazing photos and illustrations. See you in a minute.